So this is going to be my first video for this new trading channel that I'm making. My name is Blake. I just want to document more. I want to document more of my trades, my journey with trading, stuff like that. So decided to just actually do it. For years, I've wanted to do some type of content. Never really knew what it was, but I'm like trying to push some more stuff with my music and other stuff like that now. So since I've been doing trading and a lot of people watch content like that, I was like, why not just start a trading channel, document my process and stuff like that. I've been kind of struggling with my trading for like 6 years, definitely in the red, but trying to break out of that. I'm having a really good week in my trading. Having a really good trading week. Funded my account again with a little under 4 grand this week, and yeah, took it to 11. Equities at 13.4, 13.5 right now, and just trading NAS, or on this it says US Tech. But yeah, just having an insane trading week, little under 4 grand to 13.4, 13.5. You know, obviously, like, I take a lot of risk. It is what it is. I know the process. I trust my process. Yeah, I've kind of been like doing a mix of swing trading, intraday stuff. You know, it really varies. It depends on the setup. Like, if I see a good setup, I'm going to try to take it. But I think overall, I'm trying to, I got into it initially trading Forex. Forex markets just kind of suck. I mean, the only thing that I really like to trade in Forex is JPY pairs. So I like CAD, JPY, EUR, JPY, GBP, NZD sometimes. I just like how they move. Other than that, my current watch, just a lot of geese. My watch list right now is JPY pairs, US 30, NAS, S&P 500, UK 100. I don't know why this is in here. I kind of just threw it in randomly, and then I just have silver, gold. I think it's oil. I'm not really sure. So just an update. I was up maybe like 3,000 or so, and it started coming back. It's Friday, you know, choppiness happens all the time. You'll get your push on Fridays if, you know, like a big news event or some NFP or, you know, whatever it is. It is the first Friday of the month, so I kind of expected a little bit of choppiness and maybe a push here and there, but just want to show you this real quick. Yeah, I didn't want to be too risky. I did enter here where this long position is. We inverse this fair value gap between these two candles, so I think it's marked a little bit different. I had it on the 30-minute. We inversed. It didn't hold. It broke back through. So what I'm assuming is that it's gonna take out these lows here, because there is kind of like an order block situation down here. So I'm assuming it's going to tap into that. I didn't really want to hold. I've had a really good week, 3,900 to 11,000. So that's kind of where I'm at. I just want to be really safe, like over the weekend, especially with all the news events going on right now, the wars, stuff like that. Don't want anything too insane to happen. Just want to protect where I'm at. Maybe look for an entry Sunday or Monday or something like that. Yeah, better safe than sorry. That's the only thing that like kind of bums me out about swing trading, because you see kind of like, you see where I'm coming from, where NAS, US Tech, whatever you want to call it, usually NAS 100, you know, we're in this like kind of like ascending triangle pattern. So right now we're at a pretty good buy point. I had my stop under these lows, so I don't think it'll get that far. But yeah, just holding over the weekend. I don't really want to do it. I'm hoping that there's like more opportunity next week. Kind of just go from there, just start fresh. Maybe when it taps into this zone. But yeah, I don't want to hold it, and then after the weekend, you know, like gaps down crazy or something. I'd rather try to get a better entry. So that's just where I'm at. Quick update. I'm basically targeting these highs here, right here, because we got a little bit of a gap here. There's obviously all this, which I'm sure will get hit. You know, this is essentially like the top of the triangle on like a weekly to monthly scale is what I'm looking at. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Just want to share that real quick.